Today, we're diving into the MINISO X28 Wireless Earbuds. These earbuds have been making some waves with their multifunctional features, so let's see what they're all about. I'll break it all down, the good, the bad, and everything in between, so you can decide if these are right for you. First things first, these earbuds pack some impressive features. They come with the Saymi Intelligence App, which unlocks advanced functions like AI chat and real-time translation for up to 150 languages. That includes popular ones like Chinese, English, Japanese, and French. Pretty handy if you're a traveler or language enthusiast. The open ear design is another standout feature. It reduces ear pressure, letting you hear ambient sounds while enjoying your music. Perfect for outdoor activities like jogging or biking since you stay aware of your surroundings. They're also equipped with Bluetooth 5.4, promising faster connections and super low latency. Plus, they're great for tasks like driving, climbing, or even gaming. Now, let's talk about the real-world experience. The design gets a thumbs up, super comfortable, and great for long use. And yes, the battery life is good, but not exactly the 16 hours they claim. More like 8 to 10 hours according to feedbacks. Still decent, but not mind-blowing. One thing to note, if you're here for the translation feature, there's a catch. You'll need a $30 annual subscription, and it only works on Android devices. So, Apple users, you're out of luck on this one. Overall, the MINISO X28 wireless earbuds offer a solid mix of features at an affordable price. They're comfortable, versatile, and have great sound quality. Just be mindful of the subscription cost and the translation limitations if you're planning to use those translation features. So, should you buy them? If you're looking for budget-friendly earbuds with decent features and a unique design, they're worth considering. But don't forget the small trade-offs we talked about. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews. Thanks for watching.